Hello, welcome to WooDelivery video tutorial. I'm Michelle and I'm going to show you how to import a spreadsheet or CSV file into WooDelivery to create your tasks. First, click on Import Tasks icon at the top right corner to open the bulk task importer. Drag and drop your spreadsheet file from your local device to here. You can upload an Excel, CSV, or tab-delimited text file with any set of columns if it has column headers on the first row. Then click on Match Columns button to the next step. It will ask you to match your spreadsheet columns to the right data fields. On the left-hand side, you'll see the column headers in your spreadsheet. On the right-hand side are drop-down boxes which you can match your data to the corresponding task attributes in WooDelivery platform. As you can see, WooDelivery will try to auto-match some columns for you. What you will need to do is go through the field list and check if there is any incorrect mapping to fix. Once you are happy with all mappings, please continue by clicking on the Review Data button. On this screen, the system will auto-populate some mandatory fields such as task type and delivery time window. You can also review and edit any data before submit it. If destination address is set, the GPS latitude and longitude coordinates can be left blank. When you submit data, WooDelivery will convert your addresses to geographic coordinates, which you can use to place markers on a map. If you are happy with this, click on Submit and Complete button. It will import all records from your spreadsheet to create delivery or pickup tasks on WooDelivery. Once your spreadsheet data is imported, you can view all uploaded tasks on your dashboard. Ready for you to create an optimal route or simply assign them to your drivers.